use both hands. I remember an English proverb, an idle mind is a devil's workshop. You know, what is used less will become useless. Similarly, you should use both the hands. We use both the legs out of compulsion perhaps. We use both the eyes, we use both the ears. But many of us do not use both the hands. Over a period of time, we became predominantly one-handed. Some cultures, as I said earlier, is having some taboo using the left hand. I was spending some time in Japan for a month to know their productivity. When I noticed the way assembly line is operated, I noticed that the operators are using both the hands, right? Supposing you don't use your left hand at all over a period of time, this becomes useless, right? So one way to activate both the sides of a brain is to use both the hands. You can try this. For example, you hold your pen in your left hand if you are a normal right-hander, or if you are a left-hander already, you hold your pen on the right hand and then start writing. You will find it difficult to start with, but over a period of time you will become used to it. Now if you are a teacher, use the duster to clean the board with the left hand, right? If you are making coffee in the morning, see whether you can use both the hands. Take the milk cooker on one hand and use the coffee kettle on the other hand, and see whether you can do that. But be careful, right? You should not drop things and create a mess around you. It makes a big difference to use both the hands. I mentioned to you about the brain gym. Brain gym is using both the sides of your body so that you activate both sides of your brain. Start it from today. Let it be a simple thing. If you are carrying a bag, normally you will carry the bag in the right hand. Start carrying it in the left hand, right? If you are using a gadget, see whether you can open a camera lens using the left hand. 6 months, if you practice, both the hands will become useful. This is one of the brain gym exercises which I have been recommending in my seminars. Try this from today. What are you waiting for?